Hi, welcome back to Cuisine Beyond Borders. Today I'm going to show you my version of poached pear with white chocolate crumble toffee sauce. Let us see what ingredients we need. Here you go. First, I got some white chocolate here. I'm going to give a slight color. Drop this white chocolate in this tray and spread it nicely. And now straight in the oven, just a slight golden color, 180 degrees, already preheated, ready to go. So this chocolate goes in. Keep an eye on this chocolate, yeah? Slight color in the white chocolate, so allow this to cool it down. We'll blitz it with our cornflakes, yeah? I'm going to blitz it in this machine. 75 grams of cornflakes goes in. Now the white chocolate goes in. Now I'm going to blitz it together. I don't want too fine, just a slightly cold. Here you go. Beautiful crumbs are ready here. This I'm going to transfer in the same tray. White chocolate and cornflakes crumbs are ready here. We are going to do 5 poached pears. I need to poach my pear. So I got a pan like this. I got some white wine here. Here I go. 500 ml of white wine. And I got 500 ml of water. Half an inch thick cinnamon stick goes in. And 2 star anise. 1, 2. 5 cloves. And 4 green cardamom. Green cardamom, 4 goes in. Okay. Now the stove is lighted. Now what we do is we'll peel the pear. Yeah. We need to peel it. Here I go. Now one is ready. Second one ready. Now the last one is also ready. Now all 5 is ready. Now straight goes in. You can see the water is boiling. Drop in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I got 150 grams of sugar. Now I'm going to add it, yeah? Spices aroma is coming now. Now how to check your pear is poached? Just take it like this and drop it straight. If it drops, that means your pear is done. We switch off the stove. Now gently we transfer this pear, the soft pear, into this bowl. Pour this liquid into this pear. The pear has to cool in the water, yeah? If you take the pear out, it is going to be dry, okay? Now this pear is completely cooled down. Now we will transfer this to a small plate. Nice, soft. I can feel the softness of the pear. What we have to do is, you need to take the middle, the core. You need to core it, yeah? Slowly run a small knife, and take this seed and core out. Yeah, see this? Yeah, see this is completely clear now. The same like this, you need to run a small knife, or if you have an apple corer, you can do with this. Yeah, no problem. See this? This come out. You can take this out. That's it. So all done now. We are going to crumb this now, okay, with my white chocolate and cornflakes. Okay, here you go. Beautiful. Now here you go, like this. Beautiful. Nice. Third one. So the last one is also done. Beautiful. Now let us make our toffee sauce. Yeah, toffee sauce. I got a small pan like this. Now light it. Butter, 200 grams of butter goes in. Yeah, unsalted butter, 200 grams. Just I have cut it into small dice. Yeah, 100 grams of dark brown sugar goes in. Heavy cream or double cream, 200 ml, yeah, for my toffee sauce. Here you go. Now here you go. Our perfect toffee sauce is ready. You know, it's perfect. You can see this. I'll show you. See this. Perfect, yeah? See this? Nice. Now I got some water for my chocolate. I got some dark 70% chocolate. I'm going to write Happy New Year. Before you melt the chocolate, you need to make sure the bottom of your glass bowl doesn't touch the water. And now I'm dropping my dark chocolate. Switch off the stove. Dark chocolate, nice, smooth. It is fantastic, ready. The parchment paper. The parchment paper, very important, has to be crispy. Here you go. Triangle shape. I'm going to make it like a cone and I'm going to pipe it, yeah? Hold it like this, make it like a cone, yeah? See this? Here you go. Minimum 2 to 3 rounds, yeah? See this? Perfect. Like this, cone. Then what you do, hold it like this. And your chocolate can go in like this, yeah? That is it. Now, we have to fold it, yeah? Do not fill right up, yeah? Just halfway through, that is perfect enough, yeah? See, like this, fold it like this, then one layer like this, then up top. Simple. Okay, now fold it, make sure that your chocolate don't come out of your piping bag. That is very important. See, perfect, yeah? Before we plate the pear, let us write Happy New Year. Here you go. Perfect, yeah. Here you go. Happy New Year and thank you very much for my subscribers and viewers. Now plating. I got my toffee sauce here. Beautiful toffee sauce, nice and warm. Now the crumbed pear goes straight in the middle. Now I got some mint just to give a color to the plate, yeah? That is it, perfect. Same as here. I got some crumbs here, white chocolate crumbs. I'm going to just drizzle it on the top, little bit, yeah? That. Here you go. My poached pear with toffee sauce is ready. To all my subscribers and viewers, thank you very much. Like, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye.